Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to charge your Joy-Con controllers on Switch 2. If you want to charge the Joy-Cons, all you need to do is simply plug them into the device. So let's do that. I'm just gonna attach it and it starts charging. And I don't know if you can check if it's like charging right now. I click on here. Yes, if I click on you might have noticed this Joy-Con button on the home screen, then you can see your charge level, and that's basically it. Then if you want to charge your Pro controller, which looks like this, all you need to do is simply plug it in with the USB-C port that it has on the top, and it'll start charging. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.